Hey everybody. So I just want to tell you what I love most about the Adobe Express Ambassador program. And besides the community, all the creatives, what I really love is the challenges. We have creative challenges, and you can win points or even get monetized, sponsored by Adobe. And therefore, let me show you some of my favorite things in Adobe Express. So here we are in Adobe Express. I'll show you some of my favorite features that I love to create with. So as you can see on the left, I can just click on templates. Right from the get-go, there's such a wide variety of wonderful templates. And I can just go to search templates, type in spring, and get very focused variety of spring-focused templates. And if I click on United States, it'll focus it towards English. Otherwise, I can go down and I can see that there is other languages such as Chinese, Japanese, and you can click on those and then use that as your template. Another thing I love is going back here. I can generate with AI. I can say generate with image, and I can do a simple describe what you'd like to see, such as spring flowers, illustration with vibrant colors. Click generate, and then quickly it generates 4 different images that you can use, where you can then add text, etc. So a lot of wonderful features, creative features in Adobe Express that I love.